7013 glass slipper. We're very close to the freeway and another property that we have over here. I don't know if we want to repaint that. It probably wouldn't be very expensive, but it might make a big difference. We may definitely want to paint the wood around the garage frame. It's something minor, but it can make a big difference. And something else that's minor is, first of all, ensure that these wire hooks are just cosmetic, and they probably are, and have them removed. There's a lot of little damage or things that have been done to the stucco, like that hole there in the front and the backyard, which together kind of add up to a bit of a not so well kept look. Like here, for example. It's not a big deal. If it needs to be fixed, it can be fixed relatively inexpensively. There's a pipe going across there, not sure why. This gate doesn't look so bad right here, but the one on the other side is very rusted. Sometimes we paint them, sometimes we don't. That is too many trash cans, so I would say probably junk that. Although, despite all of what I said, the landscaping is very nice in the front yard. There's also some paint that needs to be junked. Okay, let's head inside. So this is interesting. It's very stylized. We would remove that. And as I walked through the rest of the house, I determined the whole thing needs to be repainted. So 100% repaint, about $1.50 a square foot. It's not a huge deal. Now, we have some tile that's cracked here where it meets the carpet. So the carpet's only in this room, and then we have a wood laminate over there. So I don't know if we would want to try to match or get as close to possible as that wood laminate and come over here or something like that. Maybe put a transition strip down to sort of hide those cracks. Then we have these fun designs on the stairs. This handrail is brown, that handrail is white, but we'll get there. So in this room alone, we do have 2.5-inch faux wood blinds already installed, except on that window, which probably needs to be done or something needs to be done for privacy. I'm guessing remove these. That would be done during the repaint. We need a fridge. The dishwasher is looking a bit rough. Stove is old, so maybe remove these, replace them with something to match this. This is not the typical stainless. It looks like the trendy new style, even though the microwave itself doesn't look new. So we might want to try to match that. That's Jenny's call. So we have these older style box light things. It would be easy to replace these with some sort of track lighting and maybe remove that light or replace it with something a little more modern. We have the correct blinds over the sink. The cabinets are rough, so maybe paint them? That's property manager's call. Okay. Upgraded light fixture, that's nice. Remove all the drapes and everything and tags and just leave the 2.5-inch faux wood blinds. That ceiling fan does not match this piece, so for about $150, you can replace it with something nice, new, modern that actually matches. Small investment for a big difference. So maybe install some rock. We need the property manager's opinion. Remove that. Maybe remove that. Maybe patch that. That's the gate I was talking about that's really rusted. And, you just see little pieces like this. That's not finished off correctly. And, it's not big items. It's just enough items that I think they need to be addressed. Possibly. And probably remove that. That will be done during the repaint as well. And then older items like these, we removed. You can tell they're older because they're yellow, and also I'm not quite sure what they do. These cabinets are looking a little older, but it may be okay. The towel bar has a bend in it. Maybe get a new one. This door handle is chrome on one side and brass on the other. Doesn't match this style, which is actually very nice. These two should match, so maybe replace the deadbolt with something that matches this, because it matches that. So you'd want to junk all of these items. The water heater over there doesn't look like there's a pan or earthquake straps. The garage in here looks rough as well, a power wash and maybe a paint or power washing the walls. It's really up to the property manager, because a lot of times the garages don't really matter much as far as appearance. But sometimes they do. So that's why we have the property manager. They're the experts. So we have these fun flagstone paper tile things on the stairs. This is what I was talking about. So I don't know if we want to plaster over this and paint it. Not really sure. So as we come upstairs, you may be able to tell the carpet is the same as the living area downstairs. Replace this blind with one that matches the rest throughout the property. Get some closet door guides. The weird thing about this to me is this closet leads to the master bedroom. I don't think it's supposed to be like that. So I don't know if we want to wall off the master bedroom, that door that I just walked through. We have closet rods, closet door guides in here. We need a blind in here. This carpet's pretty rough, so it's all throughout the upstairs. I would say replace it, get a blind here. Carpet's only about $1.50 a square foot or so, somewhere close to that. So it's not a large expense, but it makes all of the difference. Replace that little drain piece at the bottom. Replace these lights with not black or whatever those are. Get a new blind in here as well. Maybe replace those towel bars with something that matches. So we have this style that we may want to keep. We may want to get rid of these. So. Four windows need blinds in here. I couldn't get that closet door to open, so make sure that's fixed. Couldn't get this light to turn on. Might just be the light bulb. Need a closet rod in there, and that's that.